So let's talk about risk management in forex trading. What is risk management? It's like playing a video game with extra life. You don't want to lose all your life in one level, right? In trading, it's about protecting your account so you can keep playing the game no matter what the market throws at you. Alright, so let's talk about key concepts of risk management. Number one is position sizing. Position sizing refers to how many lots or unit of currency you are trading in a single transaction. It determines how much money you are putting on the line in each trade. Getting your position size right is crucial because it helps you control your risks and protect your trading account. Why does position size matters? Imagine you are driving a car. Position size is like the gas pedal or the accelerator. It controls how fast you go. If you press too hard, trade is too big, you might crash, meaning you might lose a lot of money. And if you press too slow, even when you make profit, it will be too small or it might not be a reasonable profit. The goal is to find that sweet spot that matches your account size and your strategy. Alright, so we'll be talking about how to calculate position size. First thing first in calculating position size is that you have to determine your risks. Know the amount of money you are willing to risk according to your account balance or account size. Let's assume you have a $400 account, and according to the golden rule of Forex, which is not to risk more than 1 or 2% of your account. So let's assume I have a $400 account. I'll be risking 2% of a $400 account. Now, 2% of a $400 account is simply $8. That means before I'll be able to blow a $400 account, I must have 50 losses. Is it really easy to have 50 losses in a row if you know what you are doing? If you don't even know what you are doing, luck could even have it that you might still have some winning trades out of the 50. So although trading is not about luck, trading is about skill and analysis. The formula to calculate position size is simply risk amount divided by stop loss in pips times pip value. That is how you get your position size. We already know our risk amount. Our risk amount is what? $8. So we simply input $8 there. And what is our stop loss in pips? Well, a reasonable stop loss should be at least 20 pips. Is that clear? So if your stop loss is 20 pips, that means your take profit should be at least 40 pips. So let's say our stop loss is 20 pips. Now, what is our pip value? 1 pip for a standard lot is $10. While 1 pip for a mini lot is $1. And then 1 pip for a micro lot is 10 cents. Judging from our account, you know that our account is a small account, which is $400. Definitely, it's going to be a micro lot that we are going to use. But we don't know the exact micro lot because micro lots ranges from 0.01 to 0.09. So that's just the essence of this formula, to know the exact micro lot we are to use. Alright, so once you input all of that into your calculator, what are you going to get? Alright, let's input that into our calculator. Our risk amount is $8 divided by our pip value. So our pip value is $0.10 and our stop loss in pip is 20 pips. When you input all of that into the calculator, we have 0.04 lots. Exactly. That means our position size or our lot size we are going to use is 0.04 lot. And if you wish to open two positions, you simply open 0.02 twice. Do you understand? That's position size. Still within our risk tolerance, 0.04. So that is the position size. So that means for a $400 account, risking 2%, you use 0.04 lot size. Is that clear? Alright, the second key concept for risk management is always set a stop loss. A stop loss is a price level at which you exit the trade to prevent further losses. Alright, let me tell you one benefit of a stop loss. One benefit of a stop loss is that you don't have to keep monitoring your trade. You've set your stop loss, and also when you set your stop loss, it doesn't matter whether your phone is on or switched off or whether you are connected to the internet. Once price gets to that level, you'll be taken out to prevent what? Further losses. Why? because your stop loss is not set based on your phone. Your stop loss is set on your broker's server, and once price hits your stop loss, you'll be taken out of the trade automatically. So always use a stop loss instead of a mental stop loss. Alright, the last key concept of risk management I have on my list is the power of risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio simply means how much you are risking and how much you stand to gain. For instance, a common rule is 1 to 2 reward ratio, meaning if you are risking $10, you must be aiming to gain at least $20. Is that clear? That means if your stop loss is 20 pips away, your take profit should be at least 40 pips. This ensures that even if you lose half of your trades, you will still be profitable in the long run. Alright, let's quickly take an example. Let's assume you are risking $10 anytime you trade, and then you trade 10 times, and then out of that 10 trades, you lose 6. Now, if you lose 6 trades and you are risking $10, you've lost what? $60. But with a good risk to reward ratio like 1 to 2, that means anytime you risk what? $10, but anytime you gain what? $20. Now you've lost 6 trades, $60 is gone. And now let's assume you just won only 4 trades out of the 10 trades, and with a risk to reward of 1 to 2. Now that is how much? That means anytime you win what? $20. So 20 times 4, that is what? $80. You see, you lose 6 trades, you lost $60, and you won 4 trades, you win what? $80. So you see, 80 minus 60 is what? $20. That means you've lost more than you've won, but with a good risk to reward ratio, you are still what? Profitable. Is that clear? You are still on $20 profit. So do you see, that is how good risk to reward helps. Alright, so if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more trading content. Thank you, and see you in my next video.